Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I make a face mask, a clay face mask, only using powders. So let's get started. I already cleaned out the jar with water and I dried it out. And then now I'll be showing you that is my bentonite clay, 2 pounds of it actually. So then now I'm going to show you my measurements, but I'm not going to tell you exactly, but I'm showing you. See, 1 tablespoon, and I put my hand up 4 tablespoons of that, and I put that into my little bowl. And then I do that for each of the different powders that I have. But basically, this is how I make my face mask, and of course I'm wearing gloves because I'm making this for my business. And yeah, I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave a comment down below and really enjoy this video. Most of this video I'm just gonna play some music in the background for you all, so enjoy. And hopefully, I mean, in my opinion, this is really easy to follow. I mean, it's simple in my opinion to follow, but for others it's difficult. But anyways, I mean, yeah, any questions under this video talking about, oh, what are the exact measurements, I'm not gonna reply because it's all in the video. It's just, you really gotta pay attention. But yeah, and in some parts of this I actually I wet a paper towel, and that's why for each use I just wipe it off so it won't get all mixed up together. But yeah, anyways, I'm gonna go and then I'm gonna play some music for y'all over this.